Biology. You may not think of it as such, but is in fact a part of our everyday lives. From microbiology and cell structure to ecology and evolution, humans follow many of these laws that allow us to live our everyday lives, as well as even reach this point in our lives. Now you may be wondering, what is biology in general? In simple terms, it's just studying life. But rather than this simple definition, biology explores a few questions, namely, what is life, how does it function, and what created it? It's one of those things that push us further on our endless struggle to understand the world we are presented with. In order to understand this struggle, humans have sought out to see how life itself works, organizing our beliefs on it in the process. The point is, if you're into learning all that cool stuff regarding life, this class is for you. If you like biology and also want an AP credit, this is also for you. If you want to help humanity find the answer to this question or just be a doctor, this class also suits you. But be wary, this class isn't all that easy. You will still have to put effort into it if you wish to pass, even if you thought living environment was easy. In this course, you will learn the many wonders of biology, including basic elaborations of concepts you've learned in living environments, such as biological processes and new material like Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium and non-Mendelian inheritance. This class is made to set the baseline for further understanding of the concepts of biology. Now, I assume most of you will be setting your main goal as passing that big scary test at the end of the school year. Fear not, because you'll mostly be prepared for the questions College Board makes up and throws at you. Trust me, the exam isn't particularly difficult if you study and remember most of the things you've learned. But rather than setting your lenses on that big scary end of your exam, take the time you have in this class to enjoy learning about the world around you. Wouldn't it be fun if you just took the class and forget everything in the end like you do with most other subjects, would it? This class teaches you all about the world around you. Just note that there will be calculations here and there, but the class is mostly conceptual, meaning that you just have to know how things work. This makes it more enjoyable, especially for those of you who despise mathematics. According to College Board, you'll cycle through 8 different units. In Unit 1, Chemistry of Life, you get to learn how chemistry influences biology, and why you took chemistry to get into this class. In Unit 2, Cell Structure and Function, you learn cell structure and how they function. Unit 3, Cellular Energetics, will teach you how cells interact with their surroundings, as well as many of the processes that go on inside the cells. Unit 4, Cellular Communication in the Cell Cycle, is self-explanatory. Unit 5, Heredity, you will learn how traits are inherited and passed along the generations, followed by Unit 6, Gene Expression and Regulation, where you basically go deeper into heredity. In Unit 7, Natural Selection, you will learn about how we weren't originally monkeys and how organisms became what they are now, better known as evolution. And finally, in Unit 8, you will learn how organisms and populations interact with each other, as well as how humans love screwing with the environment. AP Biology is an interesting and wonderful class, to me at least. Maybe if we weren't in a pandemic right now, it would have been much better to experience. If you're not in a pandemic, when you take it at least, it'll be definitely fun. You get to do the cool labs in person. Anyways, I hope this helped you get a grasp of AP Bio and what to expect. I wish you the best luck for the class and hopefully find some type of newfound love for biology after you take it.